Hello everybody, my name is Gurhan. This is the fourth of the 5 video series and it is about, is AI stealing from other creators? This is one of the most serious questions around AI and I don't think it should be dismissed. Copyright matters. Artists matter. Authors matter. Creators deserve protection. If someone copies a creator's work, reproduces it, imitates it dishonestly, or profits from it the way that violates the law, it should be challenged. So yes, the concern is real. But I also think the conversation needs precision because there is a difference between copying someone's work and learning from existing work. Every human creator learns from others. We go to school. We read books. We study authors. We study artists. We study films. We study genres. We study structure. We study technique. We study history. None of us creates in a vacuum. Every writer has influences. Every artist has influences. Every musician has influences. Human beings build knowledge from knowledge that came before. That is not automatically theft. The difficult question with AI is where learning ends, unlawful use begins. That question is still being debated by courts, by copyright offices, companies, artists, authors, publishers, lawyers, and by readers and viewers. So, I am not going to pretend the issue is simple. It is not simple. If someone says AI systems may have been trained on copyrighted material without permission, that is a serious argument. If someone says creators should be compensated when their protected work is used commercially, that is a serious argument. If someone says AI should not be used to reproduce a living artist's style or imitate a specific author, I understand that concern. But I do not accept the lazy version of argument that says every use of AI automatically is a theft. That is too broad. It ignores how different AI use cases are. There is a major difference between asking AI to copy a living author's style and asking help organize your own work. There is a major difference between asking AI to copy a living author's style and asking AI to help organize your own outline. There is a major difference between using AI to reproduce copyrighted text and using AI to check your own chapter for continuity problems. There is a major difference between generating a fake version of someone else's artwork and using AI to create a marketing plan for your own book. Those should not be treated as the same action. Now, does that mean authors should use AI carelessly? No, absolutely not. Authors should be careful. Responsible AI use starts by refusing to imitate specific creators, particularly the living creators. Do not ask AI to write in the style of an author. Do not ask AI to reproduce copyrighted passages. Do not ask AI to imitate a specific artist's protected work. Do not use AI output blindly. Do not assume everything AI gives you is safe, original, accurate, or legal. Do not build your creative identity on copying someone else. That is not authorship. But if you're using AI to develop your own ideas, organize your own notes, test your own logic, improve your own draft, plan your own marketing, or manage your own creative flow work, that is a different conversation. That is the conversation that I am interested in. Responsible use, practical use, author-controlled use. Use that support your own creative work instead of replacing it to steal from someone else. This is also why authors need to stay informed. The legal and ethical landscape around AI is still developing. Rules may change. Platforms may change. Copyright guidance may change. Industry standards may change, so authors should pay attention. But while those questions continue, I think we can still talk about responsible workflow. We can talk about not copying protected work. We can talk about using AI to improve original work. We can talk about transparency where appropriate. We can talk about keeping the author in control. We can talk about avoiding lazy imitations. And we can talk about using AI as a tool without pretending the tool has no complications. That is the honest position. AI is not a simple subject, but simple outrage is not enough. If we care about creativity, we should be serious. If we care about copyright, we should be precise. And if we care about authors, we should teach them how to use new tools responsibly instead of leaving them confused, afraid, or misinformed. So, the real question is not whether AI has ethical problems. It does. The real question is whether authors can learn to use it responsibly without copying, imitating, or surrendering their own creativity. On that note, if you want more information and knowledge on how authors can use AI, visit my site www.ai4indieauthors.com. I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.